Carl. 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 Carl.
Hello, my name is Franco.
Oh, tapos?
I'm Franco. From Pangasinan.
Kayo, new number ko.
You know this man? Hey,
It's me, Berta.
you know this man? This is the son of Ma'am Castillo.
Oh, and you?
And I don't know myself. I don't know where I come.
And who's that? And who's this?
Oh, this is Kim Atienza. Oh, no. Oh. This is Efren, the Imodog. Yeah. And then you go over there. There. Ah, that's the window.
Oh, let's see.
And that's Ken. And that's Mark, the incredible Mutog. And that's Nat.
Teka.
Who's keep on nodding his head. And that's Diane over there. Oh. And ay, nakat. Dali.
Oh, ibalik. Oh.
Yeah, go back to Joe. Hey, Joe.
Oh.
Here. And there is Camel. Oh, it's Camel.
Ang kami.
Then, ano ba?
Anong kami?
Camille pala, Camille.
Camille.
I can see the girl over there.
It's your best friend.
Oh, my seatmate. Hi.
Sino sabi? Pwede ako.
See? Hey, that's Kate. You know Kate?
No.
Catering service.
Kuya.
Ay, ate.
Uy.
Oh, ba't ka na naman humarap sa akin? Sabi ko, dun ka.
Naka-zoom nga yung mukha mo eh.
Dito. Gusto ko dito.
That's the Seaman boy.
That's the Seaman boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
Let's zoom Ken's face, ha?
Ken Polars.
Aray!
Carl.
Oh, Carl, you do the Ken moves.
Ken moves. Tama nun.